You may or may not notice the President of the United States was just speaking recently and said something about, especially China, are they going to print millions of ballots on the exact same paper using the exact same machines to help the Democrats win? Now, this would be China interfering in our elections on behalf of the Democrats. And then Q posted, of course, on the 22nd first. Is this about the virus or the election? Manipulated polls meant to legitimize rigged election results? The election was not rigged. All the polls demonstrated Biden's clear lead across the country. Example. What happens if China successfully duplicates or clones select ballots in battleground states? What happens if coordination exists with select states to deliver printing and paper ballot receipts, secrets, if you will, to select foreign adversaries? Nothing to lose. Logical thinking. So that last part's very interesting. What happens if coordination exists with select states, meaning Democrat, most likely, delivering printing and paper ballot recipes, if you will, or is what he meant to say, was what he said, recipes. In other words, the secret. What is our paper made of? What printing machines are we using? Give it all to China. Hush, hush. Now you can print exactly what we have. And then when you're done printing them, ship them back so we can then stuff the ballot boxes with them. Already filled out for Democrats, of course. So they're saying, what happens if coordination exists with select states to deliver printing and paper ballot recipes, secrets, to foreign or select foreign adversaries? That would probably be a treasonous move, in my opinion. You're helping a foreign superpower rig our elections. That's treason to me. So now notice he didn't say this will be done from the people in charge of the battleground states. No, it just said certain states. What happens if coordination exists with select states? That those don't mean the battleground states. You only need some Democratic run states, one or two even, honestly, who have the same recipe for those ballots and whatnot, to ship it off to China. Here's our secret. Here's how we do it. Here's our paper. Here's the whole 9 yards. Duplicate it, send it back. And then we will stuff the ballot boxes in the swing states. Not our own state. We don't need to. We're already doing that here. We're going to go to the swing states. Just put enough out there, just enough to give us the win. 51-49, Joe Biden wins. The fact that QAnon is telling you this, and then the president talks about it, I think it was yesterday, says it, that lets you and I know they're well aware of it. They got their best guy on it. And the criminals, again, as Q says, we have everything on them all. We've got it all. Every move they're going to make, they already know it. Trump and the team already knows it. Which is why they said this on June 22nd. And then just a few days later, President Trump says it out loud. He's putting him on notice. So if that's already been done, in other words, he said it. Trump has said it yesterday, day before, which would have been the 25th, 24th. On the 22nd, 2 or 3 days before that, Q posts it. And then again, President repeats it out loud. Does that mean, hint, hint, these criminal Democrats have already done it and already given it to China? And now that their dirty deed is done, dirty deeds end, they're done dirt cheap. Now Trump can come out and say, oh, they're going to do this and that. If I'm the Democrat, governor or whoever in the government did it in whatever state, and I see QAnon posting that, and then the president coming out and saying that, that tells me, oh, snap. We're caught. How the hell did he know that? We're caught. But he waited for them. You know, Trump's not going to do that first. Trump is not going to tell them first, we know what you're going to probably do. No. Oh, no. Because we can't probably arrest you for something you might do. Oh, no. We need you to do it. And then once you've done the deed, you're a criminal, you're going to get arrested. Now I can say something about it. Which lets you know, I know what you did, we got you. And lets the rest of the world know this is what those criminals were doing. Or they might do. He'll put it out there like that. They might be doing this, I think they might. But when Trump says it, I done told you. When he says it, you better listen. He's telling you with factual information. They did do this. Not they're going to, they might have, we just stopped them. They did it. They've been busted. It's all going to come out, people. I'm telling you, the closer we get to the election, this is all going to come out. And my woo-woo dude is telling me, Joe, next week's the week, man. That first, July, first several days, first week to 10 days. He says, I'm just, my guys are telling me to stay home. Don't go anywhere. Don't even participate in the 4th of July outside, the big thing. Don't go. Just stay home. And he said to me today, Joe, you going to that live stream on JC's channel? Yes. Maybe you should ask for another prayer for Trump again. Stuff's about to go down, man. He's like, I'm telling you, I can feel it. Stuff is about to go down. Big. And I'm like, all right, yeah, no problem. So we'll do it. I will be on JC's channel, Beyond Mystic, tonight, 9 p.m. Take care.